Hello, welcome to Rooted, raising outstanding offspring through empowered discipleship. Yes, I remain your humble host, Pastor Abiola Adebanjo, and today we'll be talking about why do youths, why do they not talk to you as their parents? Why do they not talk to you as their guardians? And why do they keep going back to their peers for vital information? Very candid discussion. I'll be right back. Yes, welcome back. Unfortunately, we are in the era where social media speaks louder than the parents' voices, where their peers influence deeper than pastors' influence. Also, where screen engagement is higher than scripture engagements. But we are not going to give up. We won't give up. We won't give up. But what can we do about it? One, they fear being judged. They fear being rejected. A parent once told me, my child is being too dramatic. Dramatic? No, that's not what he wants you to say. That's not what she wants you to say. Youths go through anxiety, self-image issues, suicidal thoughts, and you are there quoting scriptures. Those scriptures will work, but that's not the only thing they need. They need something more. They need more. Sometimes they don't want solution. They just need connection. They just want you to connect with them. They just want you to know, they just want to feel, to know that, don't worry, you are good. Don't worry, I'm here with you, I'm here for you. That's all they want to hear. Not that you want to judge them, not that you want to reply whatever they are saying, not that you want to fix it. No. Just be there to connect. Quoting scriptures without compassionate code. Quoting scriptures without being empathetic is rules. No, it won't work. Let me tell you what will work. Quote scriptures, pray, and add practical help. Be available for them emotionally. Help them. Be there sincerely because you want to help them. Sincerely. 2. Don't be an hypocritical adult. Practice what you preach. Whatever you are telling them to do, make sure when they are not seeing you, you are also doing the same. Make sure that when you are caught off guard, you are doing the same thing you are telling them to do. Lastly, be emotionally available. As you are available physically, be there physically. If they are talking to you and you are acting absent-minded, you've lost them. But whenever they say this, you're already, this is what you mean. This is what you mean. Yes. Until I come your way, I remain your humble host, Pastor Abiola Adebanjo. Take care. Catch you. Bye.